Oh hey guys, welcome to VX Lawls. So here we have a couple of things I've picked up from Kmart this week. The wooden train station with turnstile. Just show you around the box. Very nice looking station. And also this farm train. This is as rare as hen's teeth on the moon, this one. Just give you a closer look. There we go. Milk tanker and fruit and veg van. Fantastic set, this one. Anyway, I'll just open the train station now. Okay, so here we go, opening the train station. It's got a little tag here I notice on the box, which is pretty convenient. Just pull that tag and out comes the tongue. It's pretty good. The tongue's not so easy to come out. There we go. Okay, what have we got here? Out it comes. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, huge. Okay. There we go. Okay, just take off the wrapping. There we go, off with the wrapping. Wrapping off. There we go. Okay, so take off these foam protectors here. Very nicely done. And this one over here, that's it. There we go. Okay, so just put it over the side, put it over there a bit, and we'll have a look at the turntable. Right, here's the turntable all wrapped up. Here we go. Here's the turntable, very nicely done. Okay. Okay, turntable fits in. like so. Oh wait a minute, no, around here. Turntable fits in like so. There we go. So then we can put a train on there and turn it around. Straight through there. Okay, so very well done, very nice piece. Works very well. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and cheerio.